Unlock the power of your data with Power BI. Why Power BI? Unlock actionable insights to drive smarter decisions and business growth. Access real-time analytics to stay ahead with up-to-the-minute data and insights. Enjoy seamless integration that effortlessly connects all your systems for maximum efficiency. Power BI service features interactive dashboards, custom visualizations, AI-driven insights, and easy data sharing for seamless collaboration and smarter decision-making. Benefits for your business. With data-driven decision-making, you can improve efficiency and drive smarter choices while enhancing your business strategy to stay ahead of the competition and achieve long-term success. Why choose Power BI service? Partner with expert Power BI consultants to create tailored solutions that meet your unique needs, while ensuring scalability to grow with your business, no matter the size or industry. We leverage cutting-edge technologies, including seamless integration with Microsoft Azure, custom data connectors to link all your systems, and secure cloud deployment to ensure your data is safe. Why choose Sapphire Software Solutions for Power BI? And benefit from over 10 years of expertise, more than 500 successful implementations, and a client-centric approach that ensures personalized, results-driven solutions tailored to your business needs. Ready to unlock the power of your data? Contact Sapphire Software Solutions today to start your journey with Power BI and make smarter decisions faster. Sapphire Software Solutions, your partner in digital innovation.